782-1050, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the f***ing ground! Turn the car up! Cover! Who's your hand? Put your hands up now! Stop fire! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Off the wall! Get out of here! Get out of here! Signal 43!
In a roadside traffic stop, a suspect grabbed a gun, ignoring officers' repeated commands.
Shut off the car!
Officers stopped a car, the driver produced a gun, and they immediately fired.
Shut off the car! Turn the key! Cover! Cover!
He reached for a gun instead of obeying clear commands to shut off.
Crawl away from the gun! Cover! Are you okay? You good? Are you okay? I'm good!
When police give simple instructions, follow them. Pride with weapons only invites tragedy.
Southbound towards Mount Mercy. Suspect's down. I don't see the gun. You sure you're good, dude? Yeah. All right. He's slow to stop.
He answered flashing lights with a gun, not words. In that choice, handcuffs disappeared and consequences arrived. In a gas station standoff, a gunman kept moving with a weapon, ignoring shouted commands. Officers confronted an armed suspect. He kept moving, shots were exchanged, and one officer was hit.
He's still moving! Drop the gun! He's laying down on the walkway! Don't move! Don't move!
He refused to drop the gun and kept moving after clear police warnings.
Stay there! Bennett, stay there!
Do not move! Police! Do not move!
Bennett, cover, now!
Police, do not move!
Bennett, back up!
Hands up! Don't fucking move! Hands up! Don't fucking move! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up!
I'm shot. I'm shot. I'm dead.
Where you are?
My stomach shot.
Hey, get him over, get him over!
I'm
Get him
bleeding
over.
in my shot.
Hey!
He shot me in my stomach.
Stop breathing!
He shot me in my stomach.
Stop!
When weapons are out and police are yelling commands, freeze and comply completely.
Get him in closely, back up! Back up! Get him cuffed!
He clung to the gun and kept moving. Seconds later, bullets answered, an officer fell, and cuffs followed. In a busy city intersection, a fleeing driver ran a red light, ignoring officers.
Rack. 782-1050, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the f***ing ground!
However, as they began to pursue him, another squad car obstructed an officer's path, causing him to lose his balance and collide head first into the squad car.
The driver ran a red light, crashed into cars, then fled on foot.
Get on the ground! You good? Hey, you okay?
He chose to run from a simple traffic stop instead of pulling over. When you panic and flee, you trade short-term fear for long-term damage.
Decentralized to the ground.
Get on on the ground! You get on the f***ing ground! 782.
He blew a red light and wrecked lives. Running felt easier, but the crash made consequences permanent.
I spoke to the judge.
In a residential driveway stop, a 52-year-old man refused arrest, ignoring repeated deputy commands.
Yeah. Okay. All right, just put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not letting you touch me. I'm not letting you.
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna tase you.
Deputies tried to arrest him for a stolen rental. He resisted and was tased.
I swear to God, if you tase me,
on the ground. On the ground. So I want to 14. Hands behind your back.
oh, he's dead. He killed him.
Start right there. Hands behind your back now. Hands behind your back.
He refused to place his hands behind his back when told repeatedly.
I'm gonna tase you again. I'm gonna tase you again. Hands behind your back. I'm gonna tase you again. Hands behind your back now. Put them behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't move my hands.
Yes, you can. Put it behind your back now. Move your arm. I'm gonna tase you again.
I can't.
Put it behind your back.
I can't move my hands. You guys did this to me. You did this to me.
When you fight simple instructions, you invite pain, charges, and zero sympathy.
Listen to me. I didn't do this to you. You guys lied to me. You lied to me. And I swear to God. I swear to God.
You want to stand or you want to just set him in your car?
Yeah, bring him in the car.
All right. I mean, Rusty's got to look at him anyway.
No,
Come on, Andy. Make it easy for us, bud.
I didn't do nothing to you. I swear to you, man, I'm going to sue these people for all of this you did to me. I swear to you, I'm going to make it for it.
Come on, Andy.
Have a seat.
Please, make it easy for us.
I didn't do nothing to you people. I swear to God.
Come on, Andy.
I swear to you, bro.
Watch your head.
He turned a paperwork problem into a taser ride. Ignore lawful orders and the system answers with force.
Prop him up.
In a grocery store parking lot, a knife-wielding man advanced, ignoring repeated deputy warnings.
He has a bottle in the other hand.
Was it the same guy from a while ago?
I'm not sure.
Did he? Hey, what happened? What happened? Did he hit you?
Officers confronted an armed suspect, then fired when he advanced despite repeated commands.
Drop the weapon!
Drop the knife!
Hey, he stabbed him that way.
He kept moving toward armed deputies instead of getting on the ground.
Stop! Stop it now! Stop it! Stop! Stop! Shots fired.
When officers have guns drawn, compliance protects your life more than pride.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Stop. You're gonna. 270 shots fired. Get down. Stop. 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 Just stop.
He kept testing armed deputies instead of stopping. They answered with gunfire, because deadly threats don't get negotiations.
Stay down.
In a city street, a man waved a handgun at passing cars, ignoring 911 warnings.
Near, and he got a gun. He got a gun in his hand.
Officers confronted an armed man on the street and opened fire when he refused.
Move. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
He kept holding the gun and pointing it instead of dropping it immediately. When police yell, "Drop the gun," obedience is survival, not negotiation.
Where's he? North side of the street. He's gonna be on his back.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Drop it! Drop the gun!
He treated a loaded gun like a toy on a public road. Officers answered with bullets, not patience. In freeway traffic, a driver decided to keep edging forward, ignoring officers' shouted commands.
Looks like we're set to go northbound. Northbound 70 seconds. Big double.
Officers boxed in the suspect's vehicle and pinned it in traffic with a patrol car.
Hands up!
Show me your hands! Hands up! Hands up!
Back up, back up. Get in your car, get in your car.
He ignored repeated stop commands and kept the vehicle moving instead of fully complying.
Mike, if you ran to your car, you're going to get us back.
When police trap your car, surrender immediately. Biting inches only makes consequences miles worse.
In front of you.
You are coming back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
He kept creeping the car like he still had options. The pin move proved denial doesn't beat containment. In a motel hallway standoff, a wanted suspect stepped out armed, ignoring deputies' clear commands.
Hold on.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop it!
A second angle from a hotel security camera captured a better view of what appeared to be the suspect brandishing a handgun.
Officers confronted an armed suspect in a motel hallway and shot him when he advanced.
Drop the gun! All right, gun's out in the hallway. Come out now!
All right, we're not. Let the dust settle. Gun in there.
He chose to open the door with a gun in hand instead of surrendering.
Yes, good job. Gun in. Yeah, I think. I don't know. Anyone else here? What did you?
Just come on, man. I'm not dangerous.
He's out. He's back in his room.
All right, it's fine. We're not doing anything.
Hey! Keep your hands in the air! Hands in the air!
Get your mask. Get in here, get your mask.
Hands in the air!
Get in here, get your mask.
When you're wanted and surrounded, drop the weapon and cooperate. Survival beats stubborn pride.
That's all right.
Don't move!
We need moving forward. With gloves. Hands with gloves.
Do not move!
I have one glove.
Do not move! Do not move! Do not move! Do not move!
It's a pellet gun.
Okay. All right.
Take me to the costume.
He stepped out waving a gun at a wall of rifles. In that moment, paperwork became trauma bay.
Hands on the wheel.
In a Newark pursuit, a rookie officer rushed the suspect's car, ignoring cover and commands.
Be advised, the vehicle took off. Thomas in Pennsylvania. 2017, Chrysler 300, color black.
A pursuing officer repeatedly exited the cruiser and shot into the fleeing suspect's vehicle. He chose to rush the car alone and open fire instead of holding cover. In chaos, slow down, follow training, and listen when another officer tells you to stop. He kept diving out, gun first, trying to end it faster. Instead, he ended a life and his own career.